Something that comes up on your exam very often is percentage error. Let's see. Later in the year, Liam predicts the value of one share. The error in his prediction is 1.5 euro, which is percentage error 16.3%. So what do we need to do with this information? Find the value of one share at this time. Give your answer correct to the nearest cent. So what information we have? That 1.5 euro, that is 16.3%. So therefore, we are asking a question, well, how many euro was what? How many percent? The actual price? 100%, isn't it? And how do we solve that? We cross multiply it. So 1.5 multiplied by 100 will equal the same as x multiplied by 16.3. How do we find the value of x? We want x, not x multiplied by 16.3. How do we eliminate multiplication? Always the same, by dividing and dividing both sides of the equation, because 16.3 divided by 16.3 is 1, and 1 multiplied by x is x. And when we put that in the calculator and press equal, correct to nearest cent, it will be 9.20 euros. So that was the 100%, the actual share price. So that method is called conversion. We are converting euro into percentage. Now the main idea is that we compare like with like. So if I have percentage here, then I have euro here. I can't mix them around, otherwise it's not going to work for us.